Look who just came through already.
Guys, we're at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo.
Over here at the rodeo. I've been in line for the past 35 minutes, all the way back there in that line. Now we're finally in the front. The rodeo 2023 and the parents.
Your children are in the center seat. Show and rodeo. We are now leaving the yellow lot. Please make sure to keep your hands, feet, children, and husbands in the car. If they fall out, we can't come back.
Here I like to come over here where all these students, 15 years age, 17 years age, painted these realistic portraits. Like they look so realistic. I think the most realistic one that I've seen so far is this one right here. Let's stop real quick. I want to check out the Fords. Before they come, I want to go check them out. The electric one. I don't even think that's the new Mustang that they were talking about. There's this Mustang coming out that looks a little bit like a Camaro, with a little bit more boxy. I don't think those are it, but I've been wanting to see it in person. We're just waiting for my sister. Real quick before they come, because if I go over there, I'm gonna lose you guys in the whole crowd. You stay over there. We're gonna go check out the trucks. This year it's so small. I'll check this one out. Yeah, but it's gas powered. We got the lightning over here. The boot. The new lightning, all electric. Honestly, I don't even know why they picked the name Lightning on this one. I mean, it kind of makes it a no-brainer because it's all electric, but still. I would have thought the Lightning would have been a gas-powered truck, modded all the way, like having some badass modifications like the Shelby. I do like the truck. What I saw on the internet is that they're kind of not good at towing. There was this guy that tried to tow a trailer with a car, and it didn't make it.
Your number one brand 1903.
Starving. I want some like Texas brisket, but see the animals, the horses, the pigs, the goats. Fun fact about me. Bye. Remember we had ranches in Mexico?
Yeah.
We had 3 ranches and we had a lot of cattle, but basically I was like a little cowboy, and I think that's one of my dreams, is to actually have a ranch out here one day. So hopefully that day will come. I love this side. Stop being... Stop. Look who just came through already.
Guys, we're at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo.
Trucks are all the way over there. Some cars and trucks, the new models are here inside. Huh? look like a billy goat. Better. Truck's finally over here at the Chevy area. Whoa. Something about a Chevy just makes me feel right. The only reason why I would like to consider getting one of these trucks is because you can modify it to look like a Baja truck. Like you just lift it up. Ah, no, never mind. I don't like this one. I forgot. This is the one that has that eyebrow that looks kind of weird. I'm sorry. It's just this just, I don't know. It kind of looks kind of cool because of black, but I mean, I like this one more than I do on this side. This truck, it's like a regular one, Z71. I'm just not feeling the eyebrow thing, you know? It's just, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Got done looking at all the trucks inside, saw the animals. Come on, number 16! We haven't even seen all the cattle yet, but for the meantime, here's a recap on last time I came over here at the cook-off. At a cook-off.
You're doing a video?
What's up? First time.
It's my first time too, Omar.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ain't bullshit.
Nah, it's my first time. I've never been to a cookout.
I've been to the rodeo, I just never actually been to the cookout part. Oh, you got it? You better make it, boy. Oh.
That was on 4? Yeah, that was on 4. want to get that f***ing Pikachu.
Brisket potato with a cold Coca-Cola. Oh man. What do we get?
Una así para...
Some pork ribs. Delicious.
Dale para acá. Movie para acá.
Watch your step if you're walking down the designated aisle during this time.
All the way up there. Up there. Okay, so change of plans.
Thank you. And that's it.
Change of plans. Because we have the stroller. Ahí estamos.
Thank you. You enjoy? Welcome.
So because we have the stroller here, they're gonna allow us to go through the elevator. She loves. She's just like happy. Feel like special VIP. I'm a little scared now. This elevator is too packed.
You can get out.
You can get up. Imagine you get pushed. That's not funny. I lost my glasses. This is why I didn't want to take them off. They're gone. $186 gone. How much? I don't know. Oh, you remember that painting I was showing you guys? It just sold for $256,000.
compañero.